What is up, everybody, and welcome back to another Fuel Forge Gaming YouTube video. Last video we did get in kind of an accident, and I guess we did with the police. So now we are going to test out our drag slash track build. Hopefully without the cops intervening, because I don't like the cops. Well, there's one talking about them. I'm just gonna stay in third gear. How am I getting pursued? Dude, I am gonna drop a gear and disappear, dude. I ain't messing with y'all. And then these people almost got in an accident, dude. Bro, don't stop for the police under you, dude. Like, okay, let's do this. Hopefully we don't get into a collision, because that's usually happens. You heard nothing. I didn't say that that's usually what happens when we, you know. Actually, we should be able to repair it over here at this place. I don't know where the cops are, that's the thing. Oh, they're there. Drop a gear and disappear. Yes. Okay, hopefully you can repair your car here, because that would be awesome. Because they did add a new feature where you can repair your car at this drag place over here. I don't know where though, but oh, it's right here. It says you have to purchase it. Oh, I did, I guess. Okay. Yeah, you can't. Well, I guess we're gonna have to go back and pay $163. Man, okay. I don't want to abide to the law. I'm just gonna. I don't want to trade this thing in, but it's gained value so much. Yeah, this thing has actually like gained a lot of value. I didn't put this much into it, that's the thing. Somehow it just gained value from me crashing into it, or crashing into things. Ooh, this. Set route. Let's do this. I don't want to risk my car going through here, but for content purposes, we're gonna do it. Because I also don't want to scratch up my new rims. Yeah, I mean, we spent, what, $1,000? Or no, $11,000 on rims and performance stuff. Thankfully, that cop did not see whatever I just did. Oh, that's the exact same car that I had. I mean, but it's, of course, not souped up like what I have. Oh shoot, I didn't know that. I don't know, half the time I don't even know where like the red lights are and all that. That cop is farther, or yeah, far away to the point where he cannot see. Come on, go already. There we go. Oh, is this at private or is it at Trusted Auto? Come on, just go already. There's nobody coming. I think the horn actually does work. I don't know why, but just lay on the horn. Bro, what is this dude doing? Thank you, bro. I waited at the stoplight for enough time, I guess. Yep, it looks like it's at Trusted. Okay, here we are. Okay, let's do this. We'll get purchase info. Choose trade-in. This one. We get 13,000. Trade-in is so much less. Oh my gosh, no. Dude, this is like so disappointing. Okay, we're gonna do drag race. We're just gonna do it. We're gonna do it legally. I mean, not like drag racing is legal, but you know, whatever. Well, I guess it is. I guess street drag racing is not. And hopefully we don't get pulled over by the cops by doing something that is somehow illegal. Let's do this. Oh, I thought that BX was a cop. Alright, we're gonna do this. Oh my gosh, this is not fun. Okay, we're gonna do this, see how much money we make. We didn't do that many upgrades to our car. So it should be pretty good. Yeah, dude, like 2 seconds, dude. That's nothing. Oh my gosh, that's terrible. I got a top speed of 97 miles per hour. That is just hot garbage. Come on. But guys, that'll be the end of the video. Hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!